Sick of Csgo looking a little Euro muted? Today, we're diving into how to inject some serious visual pop into your Csgo gameplay, even if you don't have an Nvidia graphics card and can't use Reflex. We'll skip all that Nvidia stuff and get right into the solutions. First, we'll start with the built-in Windows settings. Click on the Windows search bar and type in Color Calibration. Select the option Calibrate Display Color. A window will pop up guiding you through the process. Click Next through the introduction. You'll then be presented with the Gamma Adjustment screen. This is where we start to bring the colors to life. Adjust the slider so the dot in the center is barely visible. Use the provided image as a test, then click Next. Next is brightness. The idea is to simply adjust the brightness so you can barely see the X in the image. After you have done this, click Next. Then you will be brought to the contrast settings once again. You will use the image to make sure it looks crisp, then click Next. Afterwards, you'll be prompted with colored balance. Use the sliders for red, green, and blue to even out the colors. You want the grayscale to be consistent with no tint or color standing out. Once you're happy, click Next. You will then be prompted with a comparison of your new settings. You can choose the old or new and see if you like the changes. If so, go ahead and apply the changes. If not, go back through the steps until you're happy with the results, then apply the changes. And that's it. You should now see a noticeable difference in the game. With richer, more vibrant colors, experiment with the settings to find what looks best for you. Happy fragging!